Hello friends, Hudhaifa here. Today we'll check out the ROG STRIX B650 gaming Wi-Fi motherboard and all its specifications and details. It's the motherboard's box with an elegant logo and an image of the board.
The chip's box contains the assembly guide, the chip itself, some connecting wires, and a selection of various accessories. We start with the slogan that professionals truly trust, 1Z Republic. The very heart of the motherboard is engineered to provide stable and dependable power to every single component of your system. And with its VRM coolers, they're not merely for optimal performance, but also illuminate with a truly captivating design. With full support for the latest AMD Ryzen processors, ensuring maximum performance efficiency, it also features professional cooling, precisely managing the processor from every angle to maintain system stability and optimal temperature, with meticulous details that transport you to another world, complemented by elegant silver touches that give it a truly futuristic appearance. For enthusiasts of distinction, the pristine white components seamlessly integrate with its overall aesthetic, standing out with the unparalleled support of high-speed DDR RAM, ensuring an immediate and incredibly smooth response, especially crucial for demanding gaming sessions and intensive productivity tasks. This is how power and beauty merge into a single captivating motherboard that truly draws the eye. This is undoubtedly the premier choice for constructing your ultimate dream machine. But what about the intricate, finer details? Intelligent distribution of ports and concealed vents beneath metallic heat sinks to protect your data, with an advanced thermal design to ensure the component's temperature remains at its lowest levels, even during continuous gaming. It's the Strix B650 gaming Wi-Fi, a name that combines luxury and professionalism. The performance you deserve with a dream design, ready for next level gaming. We always start with the BIOS. As ROG promised us, the BIOS interface here is incredibly feature-rich. You'll find a user-friendly mode for beginners, providing quick access to essential settings, and a comprehensive mode for professionals. For those who want to control every opportunity and every timing of their RAM, system stability, and the ease of overclocking. And it starts from here. It offers one of the best BIOS implementations on the market. Once you enter Windows, the display system is for ASUS ROG. This is your network command center, accessible through the Device tab. You can connect to specific motherboard settings here. You can monitor core temperature frequencies or control unique board properties. Most importantly, it's the easiest place to update your driver definitions.
A single click ensures best performance.
As we're talking about a gaming board, we can ignore RGB. The CNC tab is for the artist in you. From here, you can synchronize the board's lighting,
RAM modules, fans, and any supporting component for Aura.
select the visual effect that pleases you, and then customize your device's colors to truly mirror your unique personality. And we've removed the sound utility, which offers you rapid access to additional support applications you might require to optimize your overall experience. How exactly do we effectively manage the power consumption of the board while simultaneously ensuring it remains cool? Here, you'll find the power and fan control tools displayed much like a dedicated utility or any comprehensive software suite. Through this interface, you can draw custom fan curves for those who want complete silence while browsing or maximum cooling. When operating on battery, you can compare and optimize performance and noise levels. For enthusiasts, precise monitoring figures are provided by the integration of ROG motherboards with professional software like AIDA64, which often comes with customized versions for the board. The settings panel provides a comprehensive dashboard showing every single detail that occurs on your computer. Fan speed, power consumption, absolutely everything is right there under your watchful eye. The experience is not hindered by dim lighting as you re-enter the game. The board comes with a respectable sound chip enhanced by studio software. As you can see in these menus or a program that provides deep sound control, you can use the equalizer to adjust frequencies to your taste or activate presets for games, movies, and music. Not only can you improve your microphone's sound and compensate for background noise to make your voice clear, Discord's team brings all this to you.
And with this, we have now successfully reached the very end of our comprehensive review. The board offers an excellent balance of performance, features, and ease of use, especially with powerful software systems. Share your thoughts in the comments. Are you interested in the board's software or just its performance? If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, as that helps us continue to grow and develop our content. You've been with us. This is Huzaifa from Ashtash.
See you soon.